Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater and muffler. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 12 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 2. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 16 stitches on my needle. 16 stitches multiple of 2, 8 time 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 14 and plus 2 18 sorry 16. And here I purl 2 base row. You can knit anybody you want. So let's begin. This is first row right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed on second row wrong side. Pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Slip edge, yarn in front and pull these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Third row is completed on fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side, knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern or make an extra stitch. Insert this needle after this stitch. From here insert this needle like this. Insert this needle and make an extra stitch. Now knit. First we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Drop these two. That's our repeat from here to here. Make an extra stitch and first we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So again make an extra stitch, insert this needle after this stitch. From there we insert this needle and make an extra stitch like this. Now knit second stitch. First we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Again make an extra stitch after this stitch. Now first we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Again make an extra stitch after this stitch. Now first we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Now fifth time again make an extra stitch after this stitch. Now first we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Now 6 times make an extra stitch after this stitch, and first we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. One more time make an extra stitch after this stitch, and first we knit second stitch and then we knit first stitch. Drop this. Here we complete 7 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is 7 row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Take this third stitch and pass over this first 2 stitches like this, and take this stitch on your right needle. Now knit 2 together from back loop. Again here we have 2 stitches. Pass over this third stitch and take this stitch on your right needle. After that knit 2 together from back loop. Again we repeat this pattern. How much to have? Take this third stitch and pass over these first 2 stitches. Take this stitch on your right needle and knit 2 together from back loop. Take this third stitch and pass over these first 2 stitches. Take this stitch on your right needle and knit together from back loop. Now take this third stitch, pass over these 2 stitches, knit together from back loop. Again take this third stitch, pass over these first 2 stitches, knit together from back loop. Take this third stitch, pass over these first 2 stitches, knit together from back loop. Take this third stitch, pass over these first 2 stitches, knit together from back loop. Here we complete 7 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. 7 row is complete. Now 8 row wrong side. Pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. 9th row right side, slip edge, yarn in front and pull these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is complete. Now 10th row wrong side, pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 11 right side, knit these all stitches. Knit edge from right side. Row 11 is completed. Now row 12 wrong side, again pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Row 12 is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 12 rows, and after repetition of 12 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. So friend, if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.